Hey, I'm Jared Abbott, but when I'm in the kitchen having fun, please call me Chef Jay. Right now I'm going to show you a real simple, easy recipe, how to make refried beans with kidney beans, those little red ones. Really simple, all you need is kidney beans, some oil, and a tool like this, a smasher. Alright, so I've done all the prep work already. I'm doing it the fast and easy way, so I got canned kidney beans. Took them out of the can and drained the liquid off. Got the liquid saved in a bowl over here in case I need to use that later on. Alright, so I think the key to refried beans are getting them nice and creamy, and traditionally you fry them after you cook them, hence the reason they're called refried beans. You can also not use any oil and try to make them less fattening. I'm going to use some canola oil here. It's important to use an oil that's not going to burn too easily because I want to put it on a pretty high heat. So don't use olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. You can use peanut oil or canola oil, something like that. Alright, so I've got about a half cup of canola oil in my pan, medium high to high heat. I want to get that oil nice and hot. Right before it burns, I'm going to throw the kidney beans in and then start smashing away. Needless to say, I got an awesome sizzle on that round. Smash. Going to keep smashing. I can turn the heat down in a couple minutes, and then they'll start to get kind of creamy and all coming together. Alright, I've smashed these beans into a nice creamy consistency. A little texture remains from the skin. And I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. And if I need to add a little liquid, I'll add the liquid that I saved from the cans, just maybe a couple tablespoons so the beans don't start drying out. At this point, I kind of stir them around, and these are ready to go. You can taste them, of course, if they need a little salt or a little pepper. You can add your own spice to it at this point. These puppies are ready for a bowl. I'll add a little freshly chopped green onion and tomato on top, and we're ready to go. They smell really good. I've got a steaming hot bowl of refried kidney beans in my hand. I can't help but to dig in. It's taster time. Creamy, a little bit of texture still. That's how you make refried beans with kidney beans. I'm Chef Jay. Eat up and enjoy, my friends.